Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Ford Mustang. This two-door convertible has a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter i4 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Ford has less than 88,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows and window defogger. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.